Good day everyone, I am Jasmine F. Vargas, a third-year Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. Before we start, here's a short disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. A digital storytelling and technology for teaching and learning 1. Today, we will be discussing about Bloom's digital taxonomy, an updated version of Bloom's original framework that helps us understand different levels of thinking in digital age. In this video, we will explore how each level connects to the modern learning and how technology supports these skills. So let's begin our lesson and learn more about Bloom's digital taxonomy. So Bloom's digital taxonomy is developed by Andrew Crutches in 2008. It is the extension of original Bloom's taxonomy that creates hierarchy of learning in digital government. The original Bloom's taxonomy was first developed in 1956, created by educational psychologist named Benjamin Bloom. Its primary aim to provide educational objective as is the structure to understand the learning process. He proposed that learning could be fitted into cognitive, psychomotor, and affect. These are the three domains of learning. Cognitive focus on the mental skills and knowledge. It involves thinking, understanding, remembering, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Psychomotor domain deals with the physical skill and coordination. It involves action, movement, and the development of motor abilities. And the last, affective domain. This domain focuses on emotion, attitude, value, and feelings. It includes how learners respond emotionally and their level of motivation. In summary, cognitive is for thinking, psychomotor is doing, and affective is for feeling. Bloom's revised taxonomy in 2001 by David Cratwell, one of the students of Benjamin Bloom's. Lauren Anderson reverse taxonomy is considered key for teachers and instructors. Benjamin Bloom shown on the left, he is the original creator of Bloom taxonomy in 1956. His framework classified educational objectives into three domains: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. David Cratwell, shown in the middle, he worked closely with Bloom and later helped revise the taxonomy. Cratwell contributes significantly to the affective domain and co-authored the 2001 reverse Bloom's taxonomy. Lauren Anderson, shown on the right, Anderson was a student of Benjamin Bloom. Together with Cratwell, he led the team that updated Bloom's original taxonomy in 2001. This image compares the original 1956 Bloom taxonomy made by Benjamin Bloom with the revised 2001 version. The version was done to make the model more suitable for 21st century learning where skills are more action-oriented. The main change is from noun to verb. 1956 version used noun, knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. The 2001 version updated into verbs: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, creating, and evaluating. The two upper level were switched. Synthesis became creating in 2001 and moved to the highest level. Evaluation moved down one level and became evaluating. This reflects the belief that creating something new is now considered the most complex and advanced skills. Remembering, recall the fact and basic concept. Understanding, explain ideas or concept. Applying, use information in a new situation. Analyzing, draw connection among ideas. Evaluating, justify a stand or decision. And last creating, produce new or original work. Bloom's digital taxonomy is all about using technologies and digital to facilitate learning. Digital taxonomy suggests learning objectives to realize a technology-enhanced teaching context and also practice certain skills. It begins with the lower order of thinking skills, remembering, band ends with creating, the higher order thinking of skills. Now we're going to proceed to the level and categories of cognitive domain. First is remembering. Remembering is the act of retrieving knowledge in the case of digitally. Can be used to product, definition, and list. It is the lowest of taxonomic level but is the vitally important for the class learning process. Remembering recall of facts, fundamental concept, or the retrieval of materials. Bookmarking, copying, googling, bullet pointing, highlighting, group network, and searching are all tools. Second is understanding, defined as the construction, meaning, and building relationship learning activity. The task allows the student to organize the information, the retrieve, and construct meaning from this categorizing process. Understanding, explain ideas, concept, or construct meaning from written or graphic materials. Advanced searching, annotating, blog, journaling, tweeting, tagging, commenting, and subscribing are all available as tools. Next is applying. It is a level where the student applies learned knowledge. The student implements the skills they learned to produce a presentation, document, or in the simulation. Fourth is analyzing. It's the level where the student learns to process data, dividing into parts and determining the relationship between these parts and all over purpose of this project. Analyzing is the process of drawing connection between ideas, concept, or determining how each component relates to an overall structure or purpose. Mashing, mind mapping, surveying, linking, and validating are some of the tools available. Evaluation, the fifth level of taxonomy. This level requires the student to make criteria of judgment through process of critiquing and checking. Evaluating, justify a position of decision to make decision based on the criteria and standard by checking and critiquing. Grading, networking, rating, testing, reflecting, reviewing, blog, commenting, posting, and moderating are all tools. The final level in Bloom's digital taxonomy is creating, concerned with the various elements and creating a new coherent product. Creating, create new or unique work, animating, blogging, filming, podcasting, publishing, simulating, wiki building, video blogging, programming, and directing are some of the tools available. In conclusion, digital taxonomy helps students use technology in meaningful ways to develop higher-level thinking skills. It connects traditional learning with modern digital tools, allowing learners to remember information, understanding concepts, apply skills, analyze data, evaluate ideas, and create a new digital product. According to Benjamin Bloom, a student attains higher-order thinking skills when he no longer believes in the right or wrong. A large part of what we call good teaching is a teacher's ability to obtain effective objectives by changing the student's fixed beliefs. A large part of what we call teaching is that the teacher should be able to use education to recognize the child's thoughts, attitudes, and feelings. That's all for today. Again, I am Miss Jazz. Thank you for listening.